Hey, what's up, tech lover peoples? Hope you are doing good. So far, we have made a number of labs. In my last lab, I have taught you how can you install VirtualBox, how can you install Kali Linux operating system inside of a VirtualBox, how can you install Metasploitable 2 inside our VirtualBox. And in this video, we are going to make another one lab. Welcome back, dear tech lover peoples. So for making another lab, we just need to download two things. One is Jamp server, and another one is web applications. So for downloading Jamp server, we need to go any browser first. And one more thing that I didn't tell you, that you need to open your VirtualBox, and inside your VirtualBox you need to go Kali Linux operating system, and from Kali Linux operating system you need to download this file. Okay, so I am inside my Kali Linux operating system, and I'm going to download this operating system by using my browser. So let's go to browser and search for Jamp. And go to here in this website, which is known as apachefrench.org. It is the official website of this product, I mean of Jamp. For downloading Jamp, so click on here, and you will see this render installer. So just by clicking OK, you can download this. Now we'll see how can we download bweb. So just search here for that bweb with PHP 7. So here you can see that we got one link, okay, which is a GitHub link. So go to this link. I'll share this link inside of our resources file. You can download this. You can visit this website through this link. And as you can see, the Imros, this person name who has modified this PHP 7 PHP, and a lot of things here. So I'm not interested about this. I just want to download. Just press one, download zip and zip master. Okay, and as you can see, it is being downloaded. So we have already downloaded our bweb master. So let's go to our download section, and inside the download file we got a bweb master file. Okay, so we have downloaded two things. One is Jamp and another one is bweb master. So for installing Jamp, we need to open our terminal. So let's open our terminal and let's go to ls. Just follow what I am doing. Okay, ls means list, and let's say sudo and copy paste. Oh, my password is wrong. Let's see now. It is opening. Okay, have a look. That can you see this? It is opening. And next, and see, it is being installing. Okay, so I'm going to by doing next and next, you can finish this, and after finishing it will take a few minutes to install. So I have already installed this, so I'm not going to install this. Just cancel. I am doing cancel. Okay, but you need to finish this by doing next and next. So that's for now. We need to unzip this file. Okay, just click on right button and exact here, and we got on file what is called bweb master. Go inside this bweb master, then bweb, and go now. For right now, you need to search for one file, connect.php. Open this file, just double click on this file and it will be opened. Okay, yeah, here it is. So as you can, yeah, it is PHP 7. I mean latest version where we can see this MySQL Li. MySQL Li Connect this version is for PHP 7. Okay, now I'm going back. I was just checking whether it is PHP 7 or not. Now I need to go admin file, admin pages, and mid page, and go inside this setting.php. Open this, and here, and come there. We got one file. Okay, so db password, and just remove this bug. Okay, have you got the point? And save this, saving file. Okay, our job is done. Cross. Okay, so for now we need to run our XAMPP server. For running XAMPP server, we need to go our terminal. Let's go to terminal and write code what I am writing here. Okay, cd opt lamp and ls, and as you can see we got some file here. Actually I want to show you something that what I have done here. So to know this, we need to open our files. Let's go to files and others, locations, and computer. We need to go inside our computer. Okay, and inside your computer we need to go there's a one file, one operating system, sorry, one folder. Inside a kindness, firstly we have written that cd means change directory, and inside this is the one directory, it's called opt. We have one, this opt. Go inside the opt. Inside the opt we have another directory, it's called lamp. Yeah, this is lamp. Actually this is XAMPP. If you are using Windows, XAMPP is for you. Okay, but as I told you that we want to use the Linux operating system, and I really recommend you to use the Linux operating system. And for Linux operating system it is known as a lamp. So go inside this operating system, inside this directory, scroll down there, and there are something here. Okay, so as you can see there are a lot of directories and there are a lot of folder. We need to run this file manager linux x64.run, but we cannot run it from here. Okay, we need to run this file from our terminal. So to run this file, to run XAMPP server, we need to use terminal. And for running this, let's write sudo backslash and copy this, copy, paste, enter my password. Oh shit, I have written out my wrong password. Okay, okay, now go to your embedded server. Okay, and you need to just press on start wall, let it start. Okay, first let it start. In this time we want I want to show you something. That let's go to download, and a few minutes ago we have unzipped this file. Okay, which is the bwebmaster, and go inside the bwebmaster and press on it and copy this file. Okay, copy and go to your computer, opt lamp, then htdocs, and here you need to press it. Okay, just paste it, and as you can see we have pasted it here, and this is perfect time for using our XAMPP. As you can see it is in green. Okay, these dots are green, so that's mean our server is running right now. So to see our main thing, and we need to go our browser. So let's go to browser and press on localhost, and this, let's see that this is XAMPP Apache plus MariaDB plus PHP plus Perl. So
here this is our main local host and dashboard. Okay, so right now we need to go bweb and install.php. This is install.php page, and click here, installation, click here. Okay, now you can see bweb has been installed successfully. Now we need just remove this and let's go. As you can see, we got our main interface. Okay, now you can register as a new user from here, but if you don't want to register here, just you go to login page, and in login area just write B, and password is bug. Okay, and login. Oh yeah, we got our main interface, and this how we have, this is here that where we want to do everything of our job. So see you next lecture. Bye bye.